In this video, we'll be looking at the features of the Think Tank. The Think Tank allows you to see all systems that have been shared by other BetLabs users. This is a great feature whether you're out of ideas or just interested to see what other users are up to. Let's take a look at how it works. When a user shares the system, it'll be shown in this list. The list is automatically defaulted to be sorted by user ratings. As you can see, we'll show the name and type of system, a graph of how it's done season to season, when the system was shared and who shared it, the number of copies plus a button to copy it into your systems, the user rating, and the performance both money won and record wise. Let's take a look at a shared system. Here's a system I shared March 11, 2014. It's called NCAA Tourney First Round Unders. We can click on it, and this will show us some more information and the exact criteria behind the system. Each user can present a theory whenever they share their systems, and it lists the filters used and the criteria behind them. So in this instance, we're looking at postseason games. The home team seed is between 1 and 4. We'll be betting on the under. The games in the NCAA tournament, we're looking at the round of 64, and the closing total is 137 or higher. As you can see, here's the results graph. Again, you can always mouse over and see how it's done. You can also click on the past system picks and see the game-by-game information going from most recent game of UCLA Tulsa. You can even go back all the way to the very first game, which was Wake Forest Tennessee Chattanooga back in 2005. You can also comment on the system below, whether it's positive or negative. You can scroll up. Again, you have the same information you do as in my system with the record, margin, money won, ROI, and grade. You can also rate the system positively or negatively. And if it's a system that you like and you want to start following, simply hit the click Save to My Systems, and now this is your system. Now that it's yours, you can also adjust it. You can change some of the filters. Perhaps you want to take away the 1 seeds. Maybe you just want to do 2, 3, and 4 and hit Save. Now that it's your system, you no longer have to be stuck with the same filters that the person who shared it. It's just a good jumping off point for getting your system started. Alright, let's jump back to the Think Tank, and you'll notice we actually have 2 views here. The list view, which is the default view, and the new game view. So let's take a look at the game view and look at the difference. So in this, instead of looking at systems, you're just looking at games and looking at systems that currently fit on today's games. Now you can narrow your results here with the search box. So let's say we want to look at systems with ratings of 1 or more, and then you'll see today's plays. For example, Seattle, Detroit. You have 1 pick on the over. You can see the overall record, and this year it's 2 and 2. Do the same thing. You'll see it either falls in the spread, money line, or over/under column. Note that it's currently on all sports. You can sort. So say if you're just an NFL, or let's say you're just a college football bettor, you can hit college football, and you won't see those MLB or WNBA systems that are currently in there. You can just get to the picks that you want to see. We spent a lot of time and energy on the Think Tank, and we really hope that it helps you build even more winning systems in the future. As always, if you need any help, you can go to the help section and click the live help button, and there'll be someone there to talk to you immediately.